When parents clash over how to raise their children, it's time to face the music. Resolving these conflicts is crucial for a harmonious family life. Respect is non-negotiable. You won't always see eye to eye, but that doesn't give you the green light to disrespect each other's views. Even if you think your partner's ideas are off the rails, show some damn respect. Dismissing them outright will only light a fire you don't want. Parenting? It's a compromise game. You won't always get your way, and neither will your partner. Find middle ground solutions that you can both stomach. Yes, it might mean swallowing your pride, but hey, that's part of the gig. Quit sweating the small stuff. Seriously, ask yourselves, will this matter in the grand scheme of things? If not, let it slide. Save your energy for the battles that really matter. Sometimes you need a referee. No shame in it. If you can't settle the score on your own, seek help from a family therapist or counselor. They're like the umpires of parenting, unbiased and ready to call it like they see it. Remember, your kids are watching. Show them what it looks like to disagree respectfully and find common ground. Lead by example, because actions speak louder than words. And if all else fails, agree to disagree. Some battles aren't worth fighting to the bitter end. Focus on your common goals as parents and move forward. After all, you're on the same team, Team Parenthood. In the end, use common sense, not emotion. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more common sense solutions.